Welcome back. Well, it looks like we're still in the same old pattern. The risk of storms at some point again tomorrow, even some showers, perhaps a storm overnight tonight. And we're still under that very slight risk for, or a marginal risk for, severe weather. We'll get to that in just a bit. First off, though, let's go ahead and take a look at this water vapor imagery. And this has been the pattern going back to pretty much the middle part of May, where we've had pretty much high pressure ridging either in the Gulf of Mexico or over by Mexico, and we've had disturbances riding just north of that ridge, and that's what's been happening. We've had this ridge, we have broad troughing in the west, and we get little disturbances that roll out from New Mexico into the Texas Panhandle and then to the northeast, and then they ignite these big thunderstorm clusters that wind up producing a fair bit of severe weather, and then forecasting where they're going to go has been the most difficult part. Because they kind of take a life of their own and have their own environment. So look at this, and the National Storm Prediction Center issuing a new severe thunderstorm watch for Oklahoma. That'll be for later on tonight. The storms that form here, I think, are going to be the storms that we might have to deal with tomorrow. Meanwhile, we have this one cluster of storms across the Arklatex I-20 corridor. Still, we left you at 6 o'clock. There was a severe thunderstorm warning just south of Shreveport. Here we go again, another one going. More severe thunderstorm warnings as we get into portions of Mississippi, and we'll kind of zoom on in and put things in motion. Again, this is a mesoconvective complex right here, supercell thunderstorm, and you can kind of almost see or imagine an area of low pressure right here with a cold front here and a warm front there. It's just a smaller scale low pressure system, and again, another squall line off to the east. And let's take a look at how the Doppler radars are tracking this, and pretty impressive. Lots of mesocirculations, and that's why we have the warnings going right now. Let's just go ahead and check those warnings. And again, you have not only severe thunderstorm warnings, but flash flood warnings. There's been a lot of rain up here going back through earlier today. Farther to the south in Acadiana, so far so good. We're picking up on some moisture and light precip entering northwestern sections of Evangeline Parish. And I think some of this energy eventually works its way to the south overnight tonight. So the severe weather risk mainly central Louisiana on northward, but a marginal risk I-10 on north. This is through the overnight hours. Then tomorrow, similar scenario. I think this forecast may change a little bit depending on where the storm set up earlier in the day tomorrow. We'll see. We get an update at about 1:30 tonight on tomorrow's forecast. So here we go. Main thrust with those storms is off to the east, but tail end energy comes through in the wee morning hours. So don't be surprised if you hear some showers around 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, maybe a rumble of thunder. Not expecting severe. And here's the setup tomorrow. Mostly sunny, getting hot, upper 80s to lower 90s. Main thrust to the east, but the tail end of it moves towards Acadiana. Do you think this is just going to dissipate during the max heating in the afternoon? Probably not. So that's why I'm going with a 60% chance of storms for tomorrow. They push off to the east. And here we go for Wednesday. Here comes another round coming in, showers and storms. So I'm going much higher than what the models are forecasting, what the Weather Service is forecasting with regard to not only the heavy storms. And again, you can see all the rain off to the north with this model, but we're going to get our share and maybe an inch or two of rain tomorrow. If not, maybe on Wednesday. We'll see how it plays out. So mostly quiet for the next several hours, but scattered showers, few storms possibly later on tonight, probably between 1 a.m. and about 4 a.m. Hopefully the activity dissipates, but that has not been the trend of late. Thunderstorms in the forecast tomorrow. Most of the day a sun and cloud mix, but look out for later in the afternoon, perhaps into the evening hours. Timing is always very tricky, but we'll see some storms and maybe some gusty winds and hail with those storms. The same goes for Wednesday. Thursday, the pattern may not break either. I've upped the rain chances for both Wednesday and Thursday, but we're sticking by our guns for a drier and hopefully quieter forecast this weekend. But notice on Sunday, the icon's got a shower in it. That's the computer model telling us maybe it thinks it might rain a little bit Sunday afternoon. Into next week, though, we will have some scattered showers and a few storms again. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more later on.